Hello and Happy New Year. Today I want to talk about a calibration scam that's been going on in the last couple of years in UK, Canada, and United States. Before I start, click like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and put your comments down below so we can start a discussion. And also don't forget to click the notification button so the next time I upload a video, you will be notified. In the last couple of years, I've been seeing more and more calibration service being offered as something that's being done before the equipment is shipped to the customer. Disclaimer: yes, you will still get a better picture quality, more accurate picture quality than if you don't get it calibrated at all. However, thinking that calibration can be done prior the item to be shipped, it's a scammy idea. It doesn't work that way. And especially if you're using an OLED TV or projector, that definitely won't work, because the first 100 to 300 hours on a bulb of a projector or a laser diode on a projector or OLED display, the first 100 to 300 hours, there are a lot of changes in terms of brightness, color, temperature, and so on and so forth. So doing the calibration prior to shipping, so the calibrator just open up the box and then do the calibration when the TV still has a 0 hour, or a projector, be it laser or regular bulb, has 0 hour, and then send it out. It just doesn't work, because whatever being calibrated at that time will absolutely change in a quite dramatic manner after 100 or 300 hours of usage, making the calibration a moot point. Secondly, the difference in brightness level in the viewing area, the color temperature of the light in the viewing area, and also the paint color even of the room will change the perception of color, will change the perception of contrast and shadow details on any calibration. Just look at this example on any calibration. Just look at this example. The screen grab is taken on my 65-inch GZ2000 OLED. And the difference between these three pictures are: one is being taken in a completely darkened room. The second picture, a room with a daytime light. And then the third picture is being taken with a daytime light and some light, like additional lamp being turned on in the room. Just look at the shadow detail on this THX logo. There's supposed to be the drop shadow on that THX logo, but depending on the lighting condition, you can see it or you can not see the drop shadow properly. It's the same frame pause on my TV, and the only difference is the lighting condition in the room. Another example is this test pattern for contrast with distinct gradation. It looks different. So how do you know which one is which? Which one of the picture that is actually calibrated? These are the examples that shows that you simply cannot do calibration based on somebody else's room situation. You cannot do calibration based on somebody else's setting. So I still find that calibration being done before the equipment being shipped to be a scam. Again, let me reiterate that it is still better than not doing calibration at all. So if you live somewhere remote where you cannot get a calibrator to come into your house and do the calibration, that's fine. It's still better than nothing. But to think that this is an actual replacement of true calibration, it's a fallacy. It should not be done, and it should not be encouraged at all. If you like the information I just gave you, click like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Put your comments down below and click the notification button so when the next time I upload a new video, you will be notified. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.